everybody, I'm Lori Townsend. Welcome to CIS100 Winter Session 2019. I'll be your instructor for this really fast course. So I wanted to give you an orientation to kind of help you get started because we don't have any time to play around. This is your course in Blackboard. Obviously, you've already found that if you found this video. So I want to run through some things. It should open to your announcements. Your announcements should also come to your T-Wolves email, so make sure you're checking that. Here's your first announcement. First, check your email, like I just said. It's essential that you check it at least 3 times a week to see if there's any messages for me, but I would plan on checking it every day because of the truncated length of this course. You can begin by looking at the things on the left, and that's what we're going to do in a second. It's over here, this little quick links menu. Let's start with course orientation and go from there. Click around, get a feel for the course. Make sure you read everything. If I post it, there's a reason that it's posted, so make sure you take a look at it. And then third, take part in the icebreaker discussion. Tell us about you and learn a little bit about your classmates. Then you're ready to start Module 1. This class officially begins January 2nd, and hopefully that's when you're viewing this announcement. I don't use course messages. All these things with the box after them are closed. So the first thing you see here is your calendar. Click on that. It'll take you to a link. And connect, everything has the same due date. I did that to make it easy in case people got started late. But it is very important that you work to this schedule, and this calendar is the due dates that you are to use. And it clearly states that over there. So we have, this lists all the assignments. You have, let's scroll down for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. The calendar will open in Dropbox. It'll ask you to log in. It is not necessary to log in. Just close that and it'll bring you to the menu. So we have Module 1. The different colors denote different modules here, except for Access 2. I don't know why that one's a different color. It should be the same. So the first module is Windows Word, and you also have a hardware assignment and a word reflection to do and an icebreaker discussion. So Module 1 really has the most work. Then you have PowerPoint 1, 2, and 3, and the PowerPoint reflection are due January 8th, January 10th. Excel 1, 2, and 3, and the Excel reflection are due the 10th, the 12th, Access 1, 2, and 3, and the Access reflection due date is due as well. So like it says here, all the due dates are listed as January 12th at 11:59, but the actual and correct due dates are the ones that are listed here. Okay, so let's go back to the class. And then we have course information, which we're actually in the course information folder right now, but we'll go to the beginning. The first one's your syllabus. Go through and read that information, but we're going to go over most of it now. There's the Starfish course statement. I will be using Starfish, so be looking for that. There's the icebreaker discussion that I was talking about. No, I don't want this below this. Let's move this up real quick. The course FAQ, I get asked the same questions all the time, so I post the most frequently asked questions here in Blackboard. So make sure you take a look at them before you email me. But where's all the work? This is the easiest class ever. Most of the work is in SAM. It's actually brought in here to Blackboard, but you have to be able to access SAM. So where is SAM? It's embedded in the modules. Where's my product code? If your book came shrink wrapped, it came shrink wrapped with your book if you bought it at the bookstore. If you bought it somewhere else, I don't know if SAM will be included in it or not. It's your responsibility to make sure that you have SAM 2016. It is a necessary part of this course. You cannot pass without it. What you can do is you can purchase your code directly from the publisher by linking out to SAM in this class, and you will get an electronic version of the book. So that's what I recommend that you do, but that's up to you. Will you check your assignments for me? I have a lot of students, so please make sure you check the gradebook before you ask a question like that. Where do I find the due dates? I just showed you that. This class uses SAM, not SIMNet. I must have missed that, so I'll have to change that. I'm having a problem with SAM. There's a link in the learning modules to their support. Like if you can't log into SAM for some reason, I can't really help you with that. You need to contact their support people to do that. Where do I find support? Do I need Microsoft 2016? SAM is a simulation. It simulates these products, so you won't need them. What are the due dates for the reflections? Well, I should do that on the calendar. I submitted my reflection late. Can you grade them? No, because it's a discussion. If there's no one there to discuss with, I can't take credit for it. If I have a Mac, will this work for me? And sometimes I get zeros for no reason, and that's answered here as well. So that was the calendar we looked at. That was the course information. So the next thing we want to look at is the learning modules. And click it again. There we go. Okay, so I give you a little checklist here, everything that's included in this module. I'm going to click on the module to open it. Here's the hard drive assignment. And again, I have no... There'll be a test here as well. I don't know why it didn't come over. Third test. I just got to find it. There it is, computer hardware. Submit. Submit. And I need to make it available. Sorry about that. Edit the test options. I believe is the correct response. See, I'm trying to do things quickly and it's not going that quickly. Make the link available. Okay, it's there now. Okay, so there is the hardware assignment. When you click on anything that has the symbol on it means it's in SAM. So when I click on this, it will open a new window and take me right out into SAM. If you haven't logged into SAM yet, it'll have you do the logging in part, making an account part, but here's the actual work. So make sure you do that. So that's the Windows assignment. Module 1 is Windows and Word. Module 2 is PowerPoint. Module 3 is Excel. Module 4 is Access. And if I scroll down, you can link out to SAM here. There's no reason you would never need to unless you were going for the book. Here's the link to the technical support, and this course uses Cengage Unlimited. So if you have another course that you're taking that is also Cengage, you can get all your books for $120. So I just want to make sure you're aware of that. So that was, here's your grades, here's my course FAQ that I showed you, Starfish, Blackboard help, e-learning support, but what I want to show you is email. The best way to contact me is through email. I check my email very quickly. Please make sure you're looking for a response because I will respond very quickly. Just click all instructor users and you will see my email address come up so that you can email me. This is a winter session course, so I will not be on campus every day, so the best way to get a hold of me is via that link. So that's about it. That should be enough to get you started. Make sure you get started as soon as possible because, again, we only have a short period of time. Good luck, and let me know if you have questions.